Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 1997 question which is based on noise margin calculation in a NPN based BJT inverter. Okay, so in this question, we have to find the static noise margin. So noise margin for the low input and high input for a BJT inverter with the following specification. Current gain is given 70, VB on 0.7 volt, VB saturation 0.8 volt, and VC set 0.1 volt. And this one is our BJT based inverter. Okay, this one is our BJT based inverter, and this one is our NPN transistor. NPN transistor. Okay, so if inverter comes in our mind, so first of all, we have to make the VTC curve. Okay, because we have to find the noise margin for low input and high input. So I am just drawing first the VTC curve. Okay, so this one we can say V naught, and this one is our V in. Okay, for a low input, it will give the high value of output. So I am writing a V naught H. Okay, and this point is our VIL, input low voltage, and we are saying this point is a VIH. For a high input voltage, the output will be 0, and in some point, say in this point, say this point is VOH, high input voltage, very high input voltage, and this value we will consider it as a low value. Okay, simple VTC curve means, once again I am saying, for a low input it will give high output value. Okay, for high input voltage it will give the low value, say VOL. Okay, so I am, one more point I am drawing here, VOL. This point is VOL. So as we know the noise margin concept, so this region is a region for the, what we can say, I have to NML, noise margin due to low input voltage. Okay, so this NML is nothing but simply VIL minus V naught L. No need to remember the formula. You can draw the VTC curve of an inverter, then give the VOH, VOL, and this point will be VOL, and this point is the maximum input maximum input signal given to the inverter for a high value of output, and VIH is the minimum value of the input that will give the lower output value. So similarly one can say the other one is this point is nothing but simply our NMH, and this NMH we can say the noise margin due to high voltage, due to high input voltage, and this NMH, I am writing NMH, is nothing but simply our VOH minus VIH. No need to remember the formula. Okay, try to just draw the VTC curve, and then after you can write noise margin formula. Okay, so these two are very important formula. So once again I am writing these two formula here. that is our NML VIL minus V naught L and NMH noise margin for a high input voltage, that is our V naught H minus VIH. So these are the two things which are required in our question. Static noise margin. So we have to find the value of VIN, V naught L, VIH, everything. Now this one is a BJT inverter. So when input is low, case 1, we can say case 1, when V in is low, okay, or we can say V in is 0, okay. Okay, ideally we are saying V in equals to 0 for a low input. So we can for a low input. Okay. Now for this low input, for a low input, this transistor, that is say our Q, this transistor Q is in the off state. Okay. Q is in the off state, or we can say the BJT is off. Okay. So when BJT is off, there will be zero current in the base region and the collector region. Okay, so when there is a zero current in the collector or base, so it says that the current in this one is zero. That is our IC is zero. So IC zero. So for the time being, I am just redrawing the circuit. This one is VCC, and this one is okay. This one is 1 kilo ohm resistance. So make it 1 kilo ohm, and this one is off, and this value we are saying IC equals to 0, and we have to find this value V output. Okay, V output, that is our V naught, we can say. So in this case, in this situation, we can say the IC value is VCC minus V naught by RC, and IC is 0. So IC into RC, VCC minus 0, V naught. So it will give the value of V naught equals to VCC, because this term will be 0. So VCC equals to simply our VCC, that is our 5 volt, 5 volt. So we can say the output high voltage V naught V0H, we can say, is nothing but simply our 5 volt. So first thing we have find the VOH. Now we have to find the V in VOL. Okay. So now again I am writing case 2. Case 2. Because at the end we have to find VIL minus VOL, and some other specification is given, we have to use this specification also. But first we have to find the V naught H and VOL. Okay. Now when we are saying, when V in is high, or say logic 1, we can say V in is automatically 1. Okay, or sometimes we can say 5 volt. Okay, clear. So in this case, the current IC will flow. IC flow. IC will flow. Okay, current IC will flow in the circuit. Means, once again I am making this V in. This one is our RP. I am writing simply RP. RC 1 kilo and okay, right, 10 kilo and VCC 5 volt. Okay, so when we are giving a high voltage, say 5 volt. Okay, so when we are giving a high voltage, there must be some current. Okay, and some current will flow. Okay, and in this case, the saturation current, saturation current comes into picture. So this one will be nothing but simply our VC set. Okay, so this VC set value is given at 0.1 volt in our question. 0.1 volt. So the output value when input is high, when input is high, when V in is high, the output value is nothing but simply we can say VCE set value. Okay, and given is 0.1 volt. Ideally, if we think if we connected to this one, when VC set is given nothing, so we can say this VCE will be 0 volt, but it is given VCE set value 0.1 volt, so we have to take V 0.1 volt is nothing but simply output high value. Okay, for the high input. So this value is nothing but simply our V naught L 0.1 volt. So this one is the other parameter that we have calculated. Okay. Now VOH and VOL is there. Now the other two important parameter. The other two important parameters are our, okay, I have to select pencil, VIL and VIH, the two other important parameters that we have to find. Okay, so for this purpose, what we have to do? Okay, this one is for this purpose we have to use the BJT. Okay, that BJT based inverter circuit. So okay, I am the important parameter, two important parameter we have already find. So now we are writing as case 3 some other situation. Okay, so for this purpose once again I am drawing the circuit. Okay, this one is grounded, no need to make. This one is RC, VCC, RB and V in. Okay, and we are taking it, this is a plus or minus V output. Okay, so now for a input low voltage, once again I am drawing the VTC curve. This one is our VIL and this one is VIH, V naught, V in, V naught H, and this point is our V naught L. These two we have already find. Now VIL, VIH we have to find. Okay. So in this case, when we are giving a input low voltage, so say I am saying this one is V in is nothing but simply VIL. So during that time, for a very low input, there will be some current, that is our IB, and this IB will be our minimum current. Okay, and this value, when for a some value, it should be just on transistor, just on. So if we apply KVL in this loop, KVL in this loop, KVL in this loop, one, so one can write VIL, okay, for a low input, VIL minus IB minimum current into RB, okay, minus VB on, okay, equals to 0. So it will give the value of VIL equals to IB minimum into RB plus VB1. Okay, because this input low, for the input low voltage, for this input low voltage, it transistor is just on and some amount of current will flow. So VIL value we can find in our question. VB on value is given. VB on value is given 0.7 volt. Okay, 0.7 volt. This value is given at 0.7 volt. Okay, so RB value is also given. So if we find the value of IB minimum, then we can easily say the value of VIL. So IB minimum is nothing but simply the maximum, or we can say the saturation current by beta. IC equals to beta IB. Okay, so this value IC set. So this set IC set is nothing but simply IC set. From this one we can say VCC minus VCE set by RC. Okay, so it will give the value of IC set. So this VCC value is 5 minus VCE set. VC set is 0.1 volt. Okay, 0.1 by RC. RC is given 1 kilo ohm. So 1 kilo ohm. So it should be 4.9 milliampere. Okay. So it should be 4.9 milliampere. So we can write as 5 minus 0.1. So it should be 4.9. Okay. Milliampere. Okay. And RC value is 1k. Okay, and so this one is 1k and we have to divide with beta, so it should be 70. 4.9 by 70, so 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 70. Okay, or if we solve this one, we can write it 49 by 700 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, or better to write this one 49 by 700 milliampere, and if we divide 49 by 700, it will come 0. Calculate 0.07 milliampere. There simple calculation is there. So IB minimum will be 0.07 milliampere. So now we have the value of IB minimum, so we can write the value of VIL. Okay, VIL value will be IB minimum into RB plus VBO. Okay, very simple thing is there, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So IB minimum 0.07 into 10 to the power minus 3, and RB value is how much? 10k. Okay, so 10 into 10 to the power 3, and VBE on 0.7 volt. Okay, so this should be cancelled, so it should be 0.7. Okay, into 0.07 into 10 plus 0.7, so it should be 1.4 volt. So we have find the value of VIL as a 1.4 volt. For this question we have to know the concept of BJT, how it, so VIL we have already find. Now one more thing we have to find, that is our VIH. Okay, this one we have already find. Now for the VIH calculation, say case. Okay, in case 4. Okay, when we are giving high input, that is our VIH. Okay, VIH. This one is again I am making the same circuit, VCC, V out, RB, and say this one is RC, and this one is for a high input. Okay, in this case also the current will be minimum, but this value will be nothing but simply V is set. Okay, this value will be in the saturation region. VB is set. In the starting case, when low input, it will be in on state. Now it is in the saturation state. So in this case, also we can simply write the value of VIH. I am taking the blue color. So we can write VIH minus RB minimum into RB minus VBE set equals to 0. Simple thing. Plus and minus in when for a low input it is just on, so VBE on. Now for a some high value it should be this base emitter voltage will be saturated. That is our VBE set, and VBE set value is also given in our question. That is our 0.8 volt. Okay. So one can write VIH equals to RB into IB minimum plus VBE set. Okay, clear? So now the RB value is 10K, already know 10K. 10K is there. Okay, once again I am showing you RB 10K. Okay, and VB set is 0.8 volt, and IB mean already calculated 0.07. IB mean, okay, IB mean. So this IB mean value is how much? IB mean 0.07. So write it 0.07 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 3 for kilo, plus VB is set is 0.8 volt. Okay, these two cancel, and 0.7 plus 0.8. So it should be 1.5 volt. So our VIH will be 1.5 volt. So now we have all other parameters are there. Okay, VIL, VIH, and the other parameter, that is our VOH is 5 volt. Okay, and VOL is 0.1 volt. Okay, everything is now available. Okay, so now we have to find the static noise margin. So for this purpose we can directly now we can write our formula that we have already written: NML VIL minus VOL. So it should be input low voltage, that is our 1.4. 1.4 minus VOL 0.1. Okay, so it should be 1.3 volt. Okay, and NMH is nothing but simply VOH minus VIH. Okay, no need to remember the, you can draw the VTC and you can write the formula. And VIH is 1.5 volt. So it should be 3.5 volt. So our final answer will be NML will be 1.3 volt and NMH will be 3.5 volt. So this is all about this question. Okay, we can use this formula I have already written very first. Okay, so in that way you can solve this type of question by using the BJT concept. So we have already find the value for this H, this NML already find now how much, 1.3 volt, and this should be 3.5 volt. Okay, so this is the all about this question. So I hope you will understand all these things. So thank you for watching this video.